your name and what this helicopter is?
I'm Owen Cochrane.
Nice to meet you.
And this is a Trex 700X.
Right.
Completely stock, other than a V-bar DEANO.
And this is electric?
Yep, electric.
Nice. What records do you hold? World champion or something?
No.
Oh, right.
Just the guy that flies.
I see you flying earlier on, look good. Yeah, well done, brilliant. What sort of price are we looking at all up? Something like this if it's new?
The heli kit's about 1,400.
Right.
And the remote, you can't buy them anymore, these are about 550 quid.
All right.
So, a lot, but it's also, you know, it's at the top, so...
Yeah, top end of the market, is it?
You know, obviously, you start with the little ones, so
yeah.
100 quid.
Yeah. Nice. Look forward to seeing it.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Caption's better up.
No, I should have dodged the turbo. What's your name?
Owen.
Owen?
Yeah.
Owen what?
Owen Cochrane.
Owen Cochrane.
Hello, love. Hiya. Right, so we're just about to see Owen now. This is Owen Cochrane flying the helicopter aboard the Western Park for the Trex 700 Pro DSC. This lady here in the field, around Lincoln, near the country up behind me, the station barriers, somewhere. So you can find it something around the lady or the rest of the country. That was a nice flight, that was hard, that was low, that was technical. Pushing it to the limit, well done mate, well done.